Hey guys, how you doing today? I wanted to show you what I got for my Christmas present this year. This is all I wanted, and I actually ended up finding it. This is a wish list plant. This is my Philodendron Subhastatum. I got it on Ecogenera USA out of Florida. I got it last week, I believe. But I didn't do an unboxing video because I was not feeling good the day that it came. So I just unwrapped it and didn't give it any water because it was kind of wet. But you can see the beautiful red backing on the leaves are just gorgeous. Like I said, this is a wish list plant, so I'm very, very happy to get it. But what I want to do today is I'm going to put it in a different pot. I sprayed it down the day that I got it. I sprayed it down with neem oil. And I sprayed a little bit in the pot. But I want to get rid of the soil and put it in my own soil and get rid of this. I will discard it. This old stuff. I don't like keeping soil from anywhere. I try to take off as much as I can and then treat everything because you just never know what you're going to get. Wow, look at the roots on her. It looks like she is an all peat, which I don't like that. I don't mind a little bit of peat or cocoa coir in my soil. As a matter of fact, I use cocoa coir a lot, but mixed in with my soil. But I don't like it to be in my pot, which is always a good idea to repot stuff when you get it, not only because of possible bug issues, but you don't know what soil it's in, and you don't know what's in the soil as far as bugs and as far as your potting medium. So I just use a very simple potting medium, soil and a lot of perlite. I don't use a bunch of fancy things. It looks like this also has sand in it and big chunks of perlite or possibly vermiculite, but the root system on it looks really, really good. I'm really happy with it. That is a great root system. As you can see, this was obviously just a cutting, but that's okay. Look at all the roots coming out of her stems. And I also have a stake that I want to put her on because she was a little wobbly. So I am going to put that on her right now before I pot her. I'm not going to be able to get all of the soil off, which is okay. The majority of it is off. I'm good with that. It's been about a week since I sprayed her down with neem oil, so I will do that again. Now I'm just going to even my stake up with the bottom of the plant, and I'm going to go just a little bit deeper. I think I'm going to put it on this side of my plant, and I'm going to get it just a little, the stake a little deeper than the bottom of the stem of the plant. Then I'm using my Velcro tape, and I'm just going to hook her up. I like doing it this way when I can and when I remember, so that I don't stab a whole bunch of roots when I'm repotting her. Okay, let's get that out of the way. And then I'm just going, I already have my soil in my container. She definitely needed to be in a bigger pot. I'm just going to go ahead and fill her up. Get her sitting about where I want her. And there are worm castings already in my soil, so I love this plant. She is so pretty. I've had my eye on this for, oh wow, a couple of years. But, like everything else, everything is so expensive. But look at the color on her. She's beautiful. But I finally got her. And my husband said, go ahead and get it, since I wanted it for a Christmas present. And I still, you know, I didn't spend a whole lot of money on it. I'm going to go ahead and water her in. And see if we need to add any more soil. You can see how fast the soil drains down, which is what you want. I think I'm going to add just a little bit more now that I have her watered down. These aerial roots that she's got will go down into the soil and start regrowing. But I'm glad I got her repotted. And what I will do is probably in another week, when she needs to be repotted, when she needs to be watered again, I'll go ahead and spray her down with neem oil again. That'll be a couple of weeks, and then I'll add a little more neem oil to the soil, just because there was a little bit of soil left on the plant from the grower. And I got water coming out now, so that's good. She's nice and watered. And as far as her care, it's pretty much, from the way I understand, just like any other philodendron, medium light, and water when she's starting to get dry, and lots of food. Philodendrons really like to eat, so I'm very, very happy to have her in my collections. She is so pretty. I just love it. But that is it. This is my Christmas present from my husband, or to myself, however you want to look at it. And I am very happy to have her in my collection. I am going to be keeping her in here. I've been keeping her in here on this table. I'll probably keep her in here another week. That'll give her 2 good solid weeks to be alone and away from other plants, just to make sure that she doesn't, you know, end up having anything like mealybugs, spider mites, what have you. But I feel pretty confident since I sprayed her down with neem oil right away. But, and I've been checking her every day with her being in here on this table. I'm in here every day, and she is gorgeous. She had, her leaves were kind of folded up when I first got her, you know, from the shipping, and they really straightened out nicely. So I'm very, very happy with her. I'll give you another close-up of the color on her. It's just gorgeous. And I like it that the leaves stand straight up, so you're always able to see this coloring on the back of the plant, and I just love it. I'm very happy to have her in my collection. So, alright guys, that is it for today, and I will talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Bye. Peace.